Hello and welcome to another episode of Technical Analysis by the Finance and Investment Cell of Kirori College. Today we'll be looking at the markets on 17th of July and make a prediction for 18th. The support levels at 25k, the resistance levels at 25, 200, 300 and 400. Firstly, let's look at the EMAs, the 9 EMA and the 21 EMA. Currently, the 21 EMA is above the 9 EMA, which is above the price. So the short-term momentum and the short-term trend is bearish. Short sellers may be attracted towards it. Now let's look at the moving averages. The 200 moving average has recently crossed over the 50 moving average, and both of them are above the price. This indicates a death cross, indicating a long-term bearish trend. So again, we can say that long term, the medium term, and the short term trend is bearish now. Moving on to the Bollinger Bands that indicate the volatility. The price is currently between both the bands, so it's not oversold or overbought. However, it is below the middle line, showing that it can attract good selling conditions. Now for the super trend, the trend is currently red, showing a downtrend as well. For the RSI, we have 32.58, which is nearing oversold conditions. However, this could lead to reversals, so that may be a point to keep in mind. Looking at the VIX, India VIX, it's 11.24. There is extremely low volatility and may amplify downside moves or even could result in a reversal. Now the put call ratio is 0.64. The trader sentiment is bullish mildly. However, it can precede a sharp downside move. The RSI is 32. Approaching oversold conditions could lead to reversals. The EMA is again short-term momentum is bearish. The moving averages, 200 moving average above the 500 moving average, which is above the price. So the death cross has been formed, showing a long-term and medium-term bearish trend. Both the simple moving averages will act as a resistance when it tries to pull an upward movement. Coming on to the Bollinger Band, the Bollinger Bands are the price is below the middle line, good selling conditions. The super trend red showing a downside trend. For the prediction, the market remains bearish. If it fails to hold 25,000, which may be a rare case, it may continue to drift to the 24,900 zone. The volume remains muted, combined with low VIX and low PCR, suggesting that the market is quite calm and is underestimating downside risk. Market may experience sharp moves tomorrow depending on which side the volume is heavy. Thank you.